Contrary to the claims of Northeastern Hill University Vice-Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla, the Meghalaya College Teachers Association has said that the colleges in the state are yet to give their consent for the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. The MCTA President Dr. Mrs. B.H. Byam said on Friday that there was no decision to implement the NEP 2020 during the meeting of the Academic Council of the university. The MCTA asked the NEHU Vice-Chancellor to prove that the decision to implement the NEP 2020 was taken at the Academic Council meeting of the university. Dr. Byam expressed concern over the imposition of the NEP 2020, which according to her was sudden and unexpected.
Now this notification, it has created a lot of chaos, because let me also inform you that the colleges, quite a number of them, they have started their new session with the old, under the old program. Now the Academic Council as an apex body, it has been through the years established itself as an esteemed body when it comes to the academic matters concerning higher education. It is our duty that we should communicate to the teaching fraternity, as I said, to the parents, to the students who are also stakeholders, and to the general public.
The Hill State people